Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add an indicator and trading view. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open the chart on TradingView. Go to tradingview.com and open the chart. Then after that, as you can see here, we have indicators. Click on it and type the name of the indicator you want here. So let's say, for example, I want RSI. This one, relative strength index. Click on it and click on the X here. And as you can see, this is the RSI indicator. So if you want to make changes on this indicator, so just click on it. And as you can see, we have this pop-up here. Just click on this icon, on the gear icon, settings, and you can change the settings from here. So let's say MA type, you can change it to EMA, WMA, and anyone you want. You can change here and here and here, and you can change also the colors. And after that, just click on OK. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.